We're now going to cover how to select substrings with the brackets. We're first going to do a little review with your normal Python strings. So say we have this string called sum string. You know that if you put brackets over here and you put in some index, it'll return that value. That happens to be empty string. Here is index number 16. You know how to slice. Hopefully, here we go from one index to another index like this. Now we can do the same thing with our pandas series. So this is actually really cool. So you do str, and then you place the brackets after str. So that is the trick. Let's say we want to get the very first character in every string. We just do this. Very cool. We want to get, index location 5 on every string. We just do that. If we do 500, it doesn't give an error. It just returns a missing value if that string is not that long. Of course, it can take negative values like this. You can also slice. So let's say we want to get the first 5 characters. We can do that. We want to select characters 5 through 15. We can do that as well. We can even have the step size in here. So every third character from 5 through 15. All right. So just keep that in mind. That's how you can select subsets using just the brackets appended directly to that str. Okay, so that wraps it up for this chapter. I do want to mention that there are many more string methods that you can now explore. So just do str.tab and you can see all of these. And this is a great way to practice. Just kind of go through here and try to read the documentation and see if you can get it to work. All right, and these string methods will become even more powerful once you learn regular expressions, which are covered in their own part. Regular expressions are a way to match patterns in text. So if you don't, if you want to find like all of these strings that begin with a vowel and end with an S, you can do that with a regular expression. There's many specific types of things you can do with regular expressions, but essentially what they do is just match patterns in text and making these string-only methods even more powerful.